3CX Android app. Take your Office extension with you wherever you go. Quick setup. Get the 3CX Android app on the Google Play Store for free. Follow the initial steps to start calling. Set your status. Let your colleagues know your availability by setting a status. Select a status from the list or customize your status. Push notifications can be disabled to avoid receiving notifications for calls and chats. This is particularly useful if you're using a personal device as a work extension. Chat. Communicate with colleagues and customers through the chat function whilst on the move. Easily send messages and documents. Built-in quick actions allow users to easily archive, delete, and tidy up your chat conversations. Video calls. Once on a call, you are presented with a video icon. Select this icon to start your video call. Voicemail. Easily manage your voicemail inbox. Simply tap to play each message. Phone book. In Contacts, your colleague's company address book and your own phone book entries are combined. This removes the need to shuffle around in different apps and address books. It also provides quick actions to send a voicemail, email, or chat message. Stay connected. Stay connected with the Office wherever you go and never provide your personal phone number again. If you're moving around whilst on a call, the app reconnects your calls through available Wi-Fi or cellular networks. Schedule meetings. Scheduling meeting is easy, providing the ability to create 3CX audio or video calls quickly. Additionally, sync the meeting to your calendar and add participants from your device directory. 3CX meetings are easy to join. The app prompts users to open meetings using the separate 3CX video conferencing app. Download the 3CX Android app from the Google Play Store for free.